Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix TikTok not opening. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for TikTok and you need to update your TikTok application. As you can see, my TikTok is up to date. Then you simply need to go back and open settings of your smartphone and go into the app management and go into the app list and search for the TikTok. And the first method you simply need to click on storage and cache. The first step you need to clear cache from here, and after that you need to clear storage, and after that you need to restart your smartphone and open TikTok. But if you still find an issue, you simply need to go and open Chrome browser, and here you need to search for is TikTok down, and you need to open the first website, and here you need to scroll down and here you can see the last 24 hours report. So if you are seeing a large spike here, so it means that TikTok is down and the TikTok team is working on that, and hopefully TikTok will be fine after some time. If you see a graph like this, so this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.